to Biomes. I'm Henrietta from the Hunter Region Landcare Network. Come with me and explore your place on country. Right here I'm standing on Awabakal land, just south of Merryweather Beach, where you will see lots of shorebirds that travel vast distances to get to the Australian coastline. Below this video you will see links to some fun activities for shorebirds. We'd like you to create and paint your own shorebird like this one to add to our travelling art exhibition. You can see the details and the instructions in the links below. Remember to come back next week where we'll be in a different location looking at shorebirds. Bye for now.